Hey everyone, Phil, 33 Mile Bees here. Actually 2 weeks ago, I did a couple walkaway splits. So hopefully the queen has emerged, came back, mated, and I want to go through these two hives and see how things are progressing. I got my marker, so if we find the queen, we can mark her, and let's see what we can do. Like I said, I just got two hives here, did walkaway splits. Didn't quite anticipate how many swarms I was going to get, so I just decided just to let these two go and see what happened anyways. So let's see what we got. Again, they're going to be probably pretty small. I was kind of running out of equipment, so it's hot. Not going to be very much population with these ones, so we'll see what turns out here. This one here, I have enough equipment now. I might end up dropping these ones down into a nuke box. All right, so that one they're kind of backfilling. This frame was not a very good one. Let's see what we got on the next frame here. In these walkaways, I put three frames in, and they seem pretty calm so far. That one they're backfilling with nectar. Oh, and there is the queen right here. You can see her. Looks like she's I'd say she's mated. Swelling up pretty good. So let's see if we can catch her. Do not have my smoker. Burnt my fingers on it a little bit ago. So that's feeling real good. So let's see. Oop. Pen decided to make it look like a murder scene right here. All right, now where did she go? She's right there. Oop, she's pretty flighty. Oop, there you go. No, I don't want you. I want the queen. Whoa. Well, guess what, y'all? Hopefully I can find her over here. She took a nosedive over into the grass. Now let me put the cap back on this. See if I can see her walking around over here in the grass. I'm not seeing her. Well, there's a good blunder. Where's the worker bee here? One wing. Got a drone flying back. Well, we'll see what happens. I don't know if she'll come back or not. I guess we'll leave this hive alone for now. We'll put it all back and see if she comes back. Gotta keep my eye open. That figures. Not everything is all rainbows and unicorns and doing beekeeping, so leave that open just for now. And I keep my eye open. Try not to move my feet too much. Just laying on my gloves. Alright, well, hopefully she comes back. If she doesn't, well, I'll probably just take this hive and this hive and combine them. So, alright, well, it happens. Go on to this one. This one ended up being a little bit bigger. Well, this one looks like she's laying already. As you can see here, got brood. So she's probably be a little bit less likely to be flighty like that last one. What are you gonna do? Like I said, it happens. Alright, she's not on that side. Don't see her on this side. One more quick one on this. She is laying. I see eggs. Let's put this off to the side just for a minute. More than likely, she is on this next frame. Because this one here, there is no bees on it. And that is a new frame. Alright. Yeah, she's laying pretty good, I would say. Not seeing her. We do have, I think that's I think I remember that from last time. The queen cell. Ooh, wow, look at that. Move this patty out of the way. Look how dark she is. Nope, stay up here. Alright, they're situated here. Covered by the legs. No, no, come on. She's a pretty dark queen. Hopefully we don't get a whole lot on her. Ooh, look at that, that looks kind of cool. Red on the very dark on her. Got more on me than what I got on her. Give that a minute and put her back. There she goes. You're probably like, where did you just go? You still see her there. I'll probably try and clean a little bit of that off and let it dry very, very long. But there we go, at least we got her marked. I'll let her get back situated. I'm not balling her or anything, so. But other than that, looks like she's doing pretty good. And she's, look at that, she's gone right back to looking for cells. Stopped her again, checking out the red on her. But yeah, she's a young one. Yeah, laying pretty good. So got, yep, she's got all eggs, so she's right away she's putting eggs right back in as larva's hatching here. So she's doing real good. All right, well, let's put her back. Oops, sorry, bumping the camera. Very carefully. Grab that other frame. Just do a check here. She does not have eggs on this side yet. So she's probably thinking there's not quite enough population to expand to the other side. Let's double check again. Yeah, I don't see any eggs. All right, well, let's put this back together. That one is good. And I don't know if you've ever seen on any of my other videos, what I do is I got, alright, so anyways, GoPro decided that it was going to shut off from getting too hot, so I'll make this a quick one. Good here for a queen. She's marked, she's laying good. This one here, obviously she's pretty flighty, so never did see her come back. So I'll check that in a couple days and see if she does. If not, I'll take this one and this one, just combine the two. So no big deal, because it's looking like I'm not going to have enough equipment. I still got 5 queens coming from Jose, California beekeeper, and looking like he's a little bit behind on his shipments. So as soon as they come in, I got 5 more, which will end up putting me at 52 hives. I've got enough equipment for 50. So all said and done, I might have to call a couple of hives anyways. So like I said, no big deal if we lose this one. Not the end of the world. That'll just keep me at put me at 51, and when those other ones come in. So we'll see what happens. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share anything for my channel. Greatly appreciated. And have a good day. Enjoy this southeast Michigan weather. Going to be almost 90 today, and so enjoy yourself on this last day of May, the 31st. See y'all later. Bye.